Okay, real talk, going from $0 a month to $1,000 a month is actually one of the hardest stages of entrepreneurship. So if you're feeling discouraged, if you're feeling overwhelmed, like, oh my gosh, I'm not at $1,000 per month yet, actually take that breath and just give yourself a little grace, because it's one of the hardest milestones to achieve, going from $0 per month to $1,000 per month. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the fastest and most foolproof way for you to go from $0 a month to $1,000 a month. First thing I wanna answer is, why is it so hard? Why is it so hard for so many people to go from nothing to $1,000 per month consistently? There's two main reasons. The first reason is you have no idea what you're doing. And the second thing is you have no evidence that it's actually gonna work for you. So once you've hit $1,000 per month, you're just a little bit more confident in yourself because you've proven to yourself that you can get clients and you can make money, and this whole online business thing actually can work. But when you're at, $0 a month, you don't have that proof. You don't have that evidence. And a lot of times you have people like your family or your friends saying, oh no, that won't actually work. So a lot of times, if anything, you have people actively telling you you won't be able to do it. So that's why it's so hard. It's hard because you have no idea what to do and you have no evidence or proof that it's actually gonna work for you. Now, before we begin to actually what to do to make $1,000 per month, I just wanna note that this video is most applicable to coaches and to service providers. So if you run a coaching business or you help people with social media, you design websites, you're a coach, a consultant, or a service provider, this video is going to be the most helpful and most applicable to you. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to map out your visual game plan. I'm a visual learner and I'm also a visual teacher. So I'm literally just gonna write down game plan to $1,000. Step one, you're gonna charge no more than $500 for what you're selling. So we'll just say for your offer. And you're also gonna want to do a payment plan option, 2 payments of $297. All right, so that is step one. Now for $500, whatever it is that you're selling, whatever it is you're offering, should take you no more than 10 hours to do, to deliver, right? Whatever it is. Your coaching is no more than 10 hours of coaching, no more than 10 hours to do the social media stuff. Whatever it is you're doing should take you no more than 10 hours to do. People always ask me when I teach this, they say, why only $500? Like, why aren't I charging $3,000? Why aren't I charging these higher ticket prices? I could be making a lot more money. Well, here's why. The first reason is that you lack sales ability. Most people who are just getting started have no sales skills, and that's okay, right? Like, it's okay to not have any sales skills. You have to learn it, but it takes talent, it takes skill, it takes expertise to sell something for $5,000 in a way that you don't really need that expertise or skill level for $500. It's just easier, right? Secondarily, and it ties right into it, mindset wise, most people, you lack the mindset. You lack the mindset, honestly. This is what, I've coached thousands and thousands, literally thousands of students at this point. And what I notice is if you go too high, if you charge more than $500 for whatever you're offering, you will make less money because you have student one. She listens to my advice and she charges $500 and she gets 2 clients a week. So every week she's making $1,000 and she ends up with $4,000 very consistently, very easily at the end of the month. Then you have person here over 2 who wants to charge $5,000 and they get 1 client every 2 months because it's a lot harder, honestly. And so they're making on average $2,500 a month. So in my personal experience and also in teaching other students, for these 2 reasons, when you're just getting started, lacking sales ability, and just lacking the mindset that you need to charge higher prices, you will actually make more money charging $500, as long as you follow the rule of 10 hours total. Because if you're doing it 100 hours, then you're getting paid like $5 an hour, and that's just not worth it. So stick to the 10 hours. Let's say you're charging $500, if they pay in full, you only need 2 clients a month to equal $1,000 a month. Very doable. I'm gonna talk about how next. 2 clients a month is very doable. If all 4 of your clients do the payment plan, you need 4 clients, right? Because they're doing like $300 a month times 4 equals $1,200 a month to hit your income goal of $1,000 a month. Typically, it'll be a mix. So some months you'll have 2 clients who pay in full, some months it'll be this, sometimes it'll be a little mix. But basically, you need anywhere from 2 to 4 clients each month. So step 2, if you need 2 to 4 clients, that means you need 10 to 20 leads a month. You need 10 to, do you see what we're doing here? This is probably more math and more game planning than you've ever done for a month in your business if you're trying to go from 0 to 1,000. So we just figured out, okay, I need 2 to 4 clients, which means I need 10 to 20 leads per month. 10 to 20 leads, you might be like, oh my gosh, this is insane. This is too much. How am I going to get 10 to 20 leads per month? Actually pretty simple. And I'm going to map it out for you, okay? You're going to pick one social media platform. I recommend Instagram personally. Right now, Instagram is working really well for me, but it can really be any social media platform that you want. I have students who are literally on all the platforms, but they each pick one, if that makes sense. So I have students who use all platforms, but that would be one student only using Pinterest, or one student only using YouTube, or one student only using email, or whatever it is, right? So they're using one social media platform. And what you're going to do on that one platform is you're going to make one piece of content per day. If you're like me and you love Instagram, you're going to make one reel per day. Now, at the end of the reel, let's just use the reel for example. At the end of the reel, you're going to pitch, and I'm going to share with you the exact script that you're going to use in your reel pitch at the end of it. So we'll just, but again, this will be a pitch at the end of the content. So we'll say pitch at end of content. It's going to say this. I'm just going to read it out loud first, and then we'll write it. If you need help with X, send me a DM with the word deets to get details. So X is whatever it is you do. You help people with clients, you help people grow on social media, you help people lose weight, you help people have better marriages, you help people get into school, whatever it might be. If you need help with X, send me a DM with the word deets, or you can write details if you don't like to do short, deets, and I'll send you details. Okay. If you need help with X, send me a DM with the word deets, and I'll send you details. Now, here's going to be step 3. When they DM you the word deets, you're just going to give them the details of your $500 offer. What they get, what's included, mention the information about the price, the payment plan. Typically, 1 in 5 will turn into a client. It's not bad. Sometimes I have students who do a lot better than that, but 1 in 5, not bad at all. So that's it. That's the game plan. Now, what I will say is what I noticed as I taught my students this, they used to really struggle to even get as little as 10 to 20 leads per month. That was a really big struggle for them. Meanwhile, I'm over here easily generating literally thousands of leads per month, literally thousands, very easily. And so I thought it would be really helpful to show you what I'm doing to generate so many leads, because it's just always been so easy for me to generate hundreds and now thousands of leads per month. So I figured I would show you what I do. And so I created a resource called Trickle to Flood, how to generate hundreds of leads on demand. So as many leads as you want, here's how to generate them. It's a super helpful mini course where I just basically pull back what I do. I just show you what I do to generate leads, and you can follow step by step and just copy me and what I do. And if you want it, you can get it for just $1. It's part of a bundle called 24 courses for $24. You get 24 business courses that will help you grow your business, make more money, and you get 24 of them for $24, so $1 per course. If you want a copy of this whole mini kit that shows you how to generate a bunch of leads, just click the link in the description, and I will see you in the next video.